Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you an old school solution to a pretty common date problem in Domo. And the gist of the problem is there's a user in the community who says, hey, I've got some transactions and I want to be able to apply a filter for a month. And when I filter for a month, I want to still be able to compare to the previous month's values. Here's the problem. Let's say hypothetically I've got this data set and I filter to the month of January, February, March, April, May, June. June. When I apply this filter, what happens is the card issues a query to the database and it applies a filter that says where my posting date is limited to June. And when it does so, it by definition excludes the preceding months and the following months because he said, I just want June 2023. So I'm not able to visualize the previous month's data because it's been excluded. So how can I solve that problem in Domo? Now, in present day Domo, we have tools like variables, we have tools like the fixed function, we have tools like segments that were intended to help us get over this problem where Domo issues one SQL query to the database. And all of the preceding tools mentioned, variables, window functions, not window functions, fixed functions, variables, fixed functions, and segments have the ability to either issue multiple SQL queries to the database and present them the results in one card, or combine the results of a SQL query in ways that standard Domo historically did not. If that makes sense, great. And if it doesn't, stay tuned anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, when I apply my filter for May, I want to be able to include the previous month. And for grins, I want to include, the data from April as well. So from 2 months ago, a 2-month offset, if you will. So how do I solve this problem using standard Domo? I might add a column. Okay. So I need the columns report date and period. I would generate a column called report month as a beast mode, but I would actually do these sets of steps in ETL. Let's see. I might say the report date is equal to the posting date, and I might say the period is actual. Yep. And the report month is equal to the year. This is my beast mode now. Autofill, yes. Okay, cool. So now, why didn't you ask me to turn it into a table? I want this to be a table. I wish there was like a convert to table button. There might be. Okay. So now what I can do is I say, okay, I've got my actuals to give me the ability to do my 1 month offset. I might convert to table. Nice, thank you. I might say, hey, let's take this union of the copied data. Ooh, I'll even freeze the row. Love that. And I'll call this 1 month offset. Why did we change the sort order? Okay, we didn't. Okay. And then here, this is going to be equal to this value plus, I'm just going to hard code it. I'm going to say 31 days. And then I'm going to pull this down. Okay. Why do you do this to me? Okay, that's my 1 month offset. Good Lord, that took a while. All right, let's do the same for 2 months now. So again, copy my activity here. I'm going to be cheeky. I'm just going to multiply this times 2. Decide how you want to handle this 1 month, 2 month offset shenanigans. Um, okay. So basically, I took my transactions, I unioned them onto itself twice, going from 1 million rows to 3 million rows, which you might say, Jay, that's wasteful with data. And I'm like, well, it depends on your contract. If your contract is per row, yeah, this solution might be kind of terrible. And then I just say, okay, offset the posting date by 30 days to give my 1 month offset and 60 days to get my 2 month offset. Cool. Where are we going with this? What this allows me to do is I can now filter on the month, the report month, 2023-06. And then what I'm left with is I say, okay, here are the activities that actually took place in June. And then here's the activities that took place 30 days ago, my 1 month offset. And here are the activities that took place 60 days ago, my 2 month offset. But they're, when I apply the report month filter, they're still included because I, again, unioned my data 3 times. And then I offset the posting date 60, 30, and 60 days. Hope that's helpful. Good luck. Have fun. Catch you later. Bye.